Hello friends, namaste, welcome to our channel Timeless Foodies, and here we are with a delicious healthy powder, curry leaf powder, and in south in Andhra it is called Karivepaku Podi. It is a very healthy powder. Curry leaves has vitamin A, which is good for your eyes, for your hair, and also all the ingredients that we add in this curry leaf powder improves your appetite. So today I'm making a very healthy powder. So let's dive into the method. So to make curry leaf powder, we need 100 grams of curry leaves, which is washed and dried under shade. And this should not have any moisture, so you should have to take care of that. And to this 100 grams of curry leaves, you have to use red chilies, dried red chilies, cumin seeds, that is jeera, then coriander. The quantity is something which I'll be telling you while I'm going to the method. Then sesame seeds, see this, white ones, and then garlic cloves and tamarind, which is optional. You can also use lemon juice when you're adding to the powder. Then you need salt for tasting as well as oil to dry roast the curry leaves. So let's go to the method. So I'm using a large bowl so that I can dry roast the ingredients quite well. So when the pan is hot, when the dish is hot, just pour 1 teaspoon of oil, vegetable oil, and we will dry roast the curry leaves in this until it is nice and crispy. Okay, so it will take few minutes. We don't have to burn it, but we have to dry roast it until it is nice and crispy. So keep stirring. So when you are making the masala, you have to ensure that you are always around stirring the masala so that they don't burn. Okay, so let's stir it and wait until it is nice and crispy. Now you can see how the curry leaves have been roasted. You can hear the sound as well. So this is how, until when you should fry them. So this is the only one where you will be adding oil. For the rest of the masala, you will be not adding oil. Okay, so that will be dry roast. So to this I'm adding 6 cloves of garlic. Okay, if you don't like garlic, you can skip it. So just turn around for some time, for a few seconds, and then we will transfer this to another plate and dry roast the rest of the ingredients one by one. So you can see that the masalas have turned brown, and I'm also getting the aroma of all the masalas that I've used. So to this I'll be adding half the lemon size of tamarind. You can also use lemon juice. It's optional, or you can skip it. And the quantity of sesame seeds, which I have already dry roasted, will be 50 grams. Okay, so now once this is cool, we will make a powder of it and add salt while we are making a powder. So once we are done, I will show it to you. Now the masalas have all been cooled, the curry powder and coriander, cumin seeds, and the rest of the masala. Now we'll transfer this to a mixer grinder jar and make it into a smooth paste. And before adding it, before grinding it, we will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can add more depending upon your taste. Now the delicious curry leaf powder is ready. You can have this curry powder in idli, with idli, dosa, even with hot rice and ghee. It's amazing. It's a very healthy curry powder that you can make a part of your daily life. So here it is, curry leaf powder for you. If you like this recipe, do click on the like button and share it with your family and friends, and stay healthy by eating this curry leaf powder. And if you are new to this channel, do click on the notification button by clicking on the bell icon. Alright, so thank you for watching, friends. Stay healthy, take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.